Welcome back to GirlGoneHerbal.com. This is box number 2 that we are opening up with our organically sourced herbs from suppliers around the United States via a co-op. Because, like I said before in the other video, we do grow most of our own herbs, but we have been growing so much lately that we are outpacing what our gardens can currently produce. So, and then there are of course some things that we can't grow here. So that's what we have. We've got more wormwood, also known as Artemisia, more orange peel for our teas. White willow bark, which is great for like folk remedy aspirin. This one's new, white pine bark. I'm excited to try this one. Experiment with that. We've got more tarragon, more white willow bark, more white willow bark, wild cherry bark. I'm really excited to offer that. It's great for syrups, coughs. You can also use it in grilling, smoking meats. Spearmint. Can never have enough mint. More white willow bark. And white oak bark. We cannot seem to keep this in stock. More white oak bark. Rose hips. We have both crushed rose hips and whole rose hips. They are beautiful in tea. You can make syrups with them. You can make all kinds of edible things. And you can also use them in potpourri. Red clover. We have more plantain and valerian root, which will drive my pets absolutely nuts. More wild cherry bark, so we do not run out. And sarsaparilla root, which I have not tried before. So that's an experiment. Let's see how that goes. More peppermint. The other one was spearmint, pennyroyal, and passion flower, which we do already offer. You're just getting kind of low. If I can grow passion flower here, that would be awesome. All right, we got sesame seeds for cooking, and plenty of marigold calendula. Never have enough of that. A little bit of oregano to supplement what we already grow in the garden. And then we have some lemon, and new for us is lime peel for cooking and infusing and all kinds of things. So I am so excited to start making things for you guys this summer and refreshing our shop with more in it. So thanks, bye.